Hey, what's up guys? Just making a quick video of this Lian Lee O11 dynamic non-XL distro plate that I just received. It is from Radikult, Radikult, and so far super impressed. The quality is pretty insane for what you get. This was $270 shipped. This is a front panel. There's two inlet options, pump outlet. There's a drain which is on the inside. Well, I wish this drain was on the outside of the panel so you can drain it out just by having the case over like a desk or something. You can just drain straight out. And then the front of this panel is just full white because I'm going for an all white build, but I'll be installing a bunch of water cooling stuff soon. I bought a bunch of Optimus stuff, Bixby stuff, barrel fittings, and then in this reservoir came a white or black bracket for a D5 pump. It's another reason I went with this, because this is custom made for a D5 pump. All the other ones I saw were DDC pumps. O-ring for pump. These are your plugs, and then also all the hardware and a little Allen wrench as well to install everything. And it came shipped insanely well. Really good packaging. This was underneath it to prevent scratching. It was wrapped in shrink wrap and inside of a box. And then it also came with a very basic instruction of how to use it. So once I get all of my water cooling stuff, I'll probably make a long video about everything, but so far this plate was insanely priced, and for what you get, it's, I think, a lot better than the EK plate, which is like $360 or $370 with the D5, and you may as well just get this, and might not look as good, but I mean, I feel like for the price it's kind of unbeatable. So just a quick review.